We are doing a rainbow eye look today, and we are going to do a dramatic purple wing to start with some rainbow around it, and I think you'll like how it comes out. Let's get started. Because I'm using so many different palettes today, I'm just going to tell you the kind of shade that I'm using, what color, so that you don't necessarily have to have these palettes, but you can just know what the color is supposed to look like and copy from there rather than buying every single palette that I have, because really it's not about the palette, it's about the colors and the look you can create from it. So we are going to start this with like a flat eyeshadow brush that will help you get some really good dramatic lines and kind of create a base for where you're going. So for this line, it's actually going to go above the lid, and then you're just going to start patting the color in. So I'm going to be going back over. So as long as you get a circle and a triangle at the end, like a wing, you're in business, baby.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me, left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go, I can't.
And next, I'm going to take a couple highlighter shades. These are great because they give you a lot of color just in one. Take 3 after I have injured one of my palettes. So then, we are going to start with some rainbow. First, we're going to grab another fluffy brush, a yellow shade. Do that in the inner upper corner. And just try and really pack that color on there. Okay. And next up is orange. Okay. Then we're going to do a red. I suggest trying to find a red that has more of purple undertones. You'll see what I mean, but you don't want like a bright red. It's just like completely out there. You want something you can kind of see, I guess I'd say like a darker red, but not right in your face, because it's just going to blend better with the colors that we already have. So I'm going to take same fluffy brush, go into this beautiful red color. And blend and pat that into the orange. Then we're going to need a darker purple. Blend that into the red. Since we're kind of getting towards more of the edges, I'm using a more detailed brush, that way it doesn't get too much in the way of the wing, and also so that everything maintains its shape. Then lastly, we are going to go with the green shade. I'm going to use this one, so it's kind of like a bluish green. We're almost on the top eye part, but we're just going to kind of do it on the corner where things don't connect yet, to kind of just have one last touch. Kind of make the shape you want. Don't blend out too much though. And then I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer into the corner here. Should just kind of bring some attention back to the corner of the eye. Alright, and then we're going to do the under eye. Take that highlight shade again. Go underneath your eyes. We are not going to be using any winged eyeliner for this look. While I love winged eyeliner, the purple really makes for the dramatic wing in this piece, and it's a little bit just too much if you put all of it in there. We want to look fun and cohesive with pretty rainbows. We don't want to look like a hot mess. Off this look, we are taking a Fenty highlight stick. This is the shade Starstruck, and we're just going to take a little bit right here. Not a blinding highlight, but just adds a good finishing touch. Lastly, I'm going to just be using a light nude lip shade to kind of give the finishing touches to look. Okay, and that is today's rainbow look. Please give us a like if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe below and leave your comments and love. I can't wait to film another, and hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Thanks. Bye.